that, there's some loads waiting behind you. But Bismillah, don't just look, guys. Just jump in. Get going. Bismillah. Ya al-Ajr. Let's go. Let's go.
So let me finish the story for you, brother Abdullah.
No, I don't want to interrupt.
Okay. So he came into the masjid. He has 3,000. You say, I want to donate this to 3 masjids. 1,000 for Masjid Bilal. 1,000 for Masjid Tawheed. And 1,000 for Tawfiq. From different states. So that was what I كما قلت لك أول شيء كنا أبغى كنا بهذه مسار بتحكي درنا أول شيء جيسا جرا نمنو كنا كمان كنا نما إدو جران ولي كراهي إدو جرا نياته باتي سدي جرا إن الشرطة كانت في استثمار رابطاني
A little bit more, guys. Go, go, go. A little bit more. Alright, now we're gonna open up. He's gonna bring behind me. So we're gonna have to open this way up, yeah? Either come this way or go that way. Either that way or this way. He's gonna be coming that way.
Jala jala khana jala ban. Wang go dang meng pati nari haju sa. Iya jala kita kana dalam kami yang dilap di hadis.
Either go that way or this way. Better go that way. Got a free to clear this whole area. No, better go that way. Ahlan, Bismillah. Let's go that way. Something like this. Go back, guys. You don't want to trust the machine. It might slip anyway. Be safe.
Mal berai masih mal Kare kare kare.
As corner na